Alright guys, welcome back to my Depop dropshipping YouTube channel where I'm teaching you how to dropship on Depop successfully so that you can start making money in 2025. So today I'm just going to go over a few tips and tricks that some people have been requesting and some people have had questions left in the comments and in my Discord. So I'm going to go over some stuff and just hopefully cover anything for you guys so you aren't confused and everything's straightforward. Back on my dropshipping Depop for YouTube, this is where I do my series on YouTube. This is my store for it. So first thing I'm going to go over is refunds. So there are two types of, when it comes to selling, you've got two types of things. You're either pretending that you're a business or you're pretending that you're an individual selling their old goods. So as you can see here, I'm pretending I'm a business and I'm selling my business's products on Depop. So when it comes to returns, for no matter how you're pretending to act on Depop, when it comes to returns, if something goes wrong on the customer end and they've got a product that's faulty, it breaks, whatever reason, you're going to need photos from them. You need them to send you all the photos. Now, if you're pretending to be a business, what you're going to do is open up a refund request on AliExpress. You can put in all the photos and then ask for them to ship out a new product. And because you've got broken photos, they'll do it. Then you just tell your customer you're getting it sorted out and you have new ones shipped to their house as soon as possible. So that's what you're going to do if you're pretending to be a business. Now, if you're just pretending to sell your old secondhand clothing or you're just an individual on Depop, you can't send them another product because you shouldn't have another product laying around. So for example, if they get this necklace and it breaks, you shouldn't have another one of these necklaces laying around. So what you're going to do, same thing, get the photos, but then get a refund. Just get your money back from AliExpress and then send the buyer's money back. So this way, no one's out of pocket, you've just lost the sale, but you're not out of pocket, you've got your money back from AliExpress, the buyer gets their money back, everyone's happy, you're not going to get banned, they're more likely to come back and buy again. So that's how refund is going to work on your dropshipping on Depop. Let me know down below if you've got any other questions about refund or anything like that, or message me on Telegram. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Right, so I've just come back to my main account because I didn't have any sales on my other Depop account to show you this next thing about getting paid out. So I've just come to my main account to show you. So as you can see, I've almost got 9,000 Australian dollars sat in my Depop balance. Now, I can withdraw 4,000 of this anytime. Depop will generally keep the amount just for a few days or up to 10 days or until the buyer gets their product, just to make sure that you aren't a scammer. Now, mine generally takes 1 or 2 days to clear because I have a long history with Depop that shows them that I'm not a scammer and everyone's happy when they get my products. So I mainly get my money, it's a long weekend at the moment in Australia because of Australia Day. So I generally get my product in my cash out in a few days. It's taken a little bit longer now and I'm not having that full 9,000, but it's because of long weekends and stuff like that. Now, just what to note, if you are brand new to this, it may take a few days or up to until the customer gets their product until you receive your balance, but that's okay. Just pay it from AliExpress and as soon as they get their item, you will get paid out. So it's important to know that when you first sell your product, you may not get paid out immediately. It may take until the customer receives their product. Once you start to build up, you will get it instantly. Now, there is a way to get your funds instantly. The only way to do this is to ensure that you have a PayPal account. So you need a PayPal account that already has had lots of transactions on it and had lots of people pay you before. You need to have had it for a while and have made actual payments on PayPal. This way you get paid out instantly, you won't have to wait. But if it is a brand new PayPal account that you connect to Depop, it will take 21 days because PayPal just want to make sure that you aren't a scammer. So if you connect your PayPal and you've already had it going for a long time, then it will only take, your funds will come instantly. That's the only way to receive funds instantly, is to have a PayPal account that you link that you've been using for a long time. So I hope that makes sense. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to quickly go over is making sure that you guys are all set with all the hidden costs when it comes to AliExpress. So, as you can see, this product here from my supplier list, it is $3.18. So if I go and list my product based on this $3.18, I'm going to be very surprised when on the 8th of Feb, if it sells, after then, that it suddenly cost me $9.07. So you've got to be careful of how much the product actually costs. So I can't just go and list this product. Well, I've never listed for $10. I want much higher profit margins, but I can't list it for 10 because if it's sold after the 8th, I'd all of a sudden have $1 in profit. And this is actually where you need to really double check, not just discounts, but so I've added this to my cart, this product as you can see here. Now, all of a sudden, this product that cost $3.18 on sale, which was here, now costs me $6.75. It's going to cost me $3.60 in fees for shipping and tax on top of that price of $3. So then if it goes up to the $9.07, plus then you're going to add on your $3.60, $3.60, all of a sudden you're at $12.67. You need to make sure that you are looking at all your costs. So make sure when you get a product, just add it to cart, pretend you're going to check out, just make sure you know how much it's actually going to cost. Just be careful, because I don't want you guys to get caught out and all of a sudden you're losing money on sales, or your profit margins are a lot smaller than what you thought. So just be careful, make sure you know what all the costs are, and yeah. Okay guys, so my last and final tip in this video is just going to be watch out when it comes to selling. So I'm just going to click on this random product here on AliExpress. So this is the reason why you need good suppliers. I'm about to show you why. Delivery for this is going to take over a month to get to my house. You cannot be doing that when you are drop shipping on Depop. Sure, you can pay $81 if you want it by the 16th of February, but even so, that's no better. That's still almost 3 weeks that you're waiting for a product to arrive at a customer's house. You're going to get banned. You're not going to get your money. So we'll come back to my product here, 10 days. You can blame 10 days on weekends. And they say, where is it weekends? Say that you use cheap shipping. Say that it's in the country, you're not sure why, it's taking a little bit longer. 10 days is acceptable. And most of the time it will come before that 10 days. It's giving that really extra long period. Like I've had products show up in 8 days. 8 days about as quick as it can get, because it's got to go through customs. But 10 days is pretty much as long as it's ever taken when it comes to my suppliers. So that's important of having good suppliers. I'm not saying buy mine, I'm saying buy someone's suppliers, because it will help you ridiculously, especially when shipping. Because think about it, a month compared to 10 days. A month you're going to have unhappy customers, 10 days you're going to have happy customers. So that's the real difference. So make sure that you know how long things are shipping. Find someone with a good supplier list. I'd recommend you purchase them, especially if you've got a little bit of money to play with. It might cost you $20, might cost you, I don't know how much some people are charging you for them, but it will 100% be worth it, especially if you've got a little bit of money to invest into one. I'd 100% do it. It will be worth it. I think that I want to go over in this video. These were the questions that I had coming from Discord and from some comments. So if you've got any other questions, let me know either in my Discord or in the comment section below. I'll make another video just going over a few more things. I just wanted to quickly highlight my Discord here. We've got people printing money on Depop, like literally, $650, almost $1,300. Even some of them are just getting the first sales. We go down to wins. So here, people even $40, they're just getting their first sales. They're making money. So I just want to highlight, if you're really struggling with this, or you want a community, you want some help, you want the free supplier links, all of that stuff, you can get it all in the Discord. So have a look at that. It's in the link down below. But of course, if you think that you've got it, go out on your own, give it a go. Doesn't matter if you've got money or not. Give Depop dropshipping a go. I promise you, if you stick with it for a month, you'll be profitable, just like these people in my Discord. And if you want help, the Discord's down below. But I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know down below if there's any questions that you want me to cover in another video, or any topics that you want me to cover. And I hope you guys have a good day. Happy earnings.